So the other thing I wanna know more about because I was trying to find a video on
Mhm.
it, but I didn't see one. Teabag dunking robot because I was like,
Yeah.
"Ooh, that's cool," and, I think super useful.
Do you
Oh,
know
who
what? I
knows?
think I have bits of him under the table. If I can disappear for a minute.
Oh, man. Hmm.
So his brain has been recycled since for
Oh,
other
no.
projects, sadly. And I don't know if you can tell, but he's actually
Ooh.
extremely dusty.
Looks great. 720p, it'll look
Yeah.
fantastic to all of the
But
viewers.
I just yeah, I couldn't part with like it's one of the very first projects I made, and it's kind of like terrible and wonderful, and it will always occupy a special place in my heart. And it's literally
Excellent.
just we've got our on-off switch there,
Uh-huh.
and then a dial so that you can select your number of dunks.
Nice.
Because
Excellent.
some tea might need longer
Mhm.
than
Yeah.
others. And
Yeah.
then like a little LCD screen that will tell you like the number of dunks that you've selected and then the number of dunks remaining.
Nice.
And then our tiny,
This.
extremely underpowered, wobbly Tau Pro micro servo arms to do the dunking with I think like a bit of Lego that I've just like cut a piece out of to make like the tea bag hook.
Nice.
And quite a lot of tape.
I totally wanna make one of these for my mom.
Well,
That's
so
awesome.
the very first time like I switched it on,
Mhm.
I just absolutely hadn't thought about trying to ramp the motion at all.
It's just like
So it was like extremely aggressive teabag dunking. And I think
I like
by
it.
the yeah, and by the time I stopped laughing, I think more than half of the water in the mug had been distributed around my kitchen.
Nice, nice.
I
I
think
I
there's still
I
a
feel like
video
that should be
somewhere.
a setting is like, dunking aggressiveness.
Overly aggressive, yeah.
Yeah.
Version 2 will have an adjustable aggressiveness of the dunking.
Oh my gosh.